Hi friends, I hope you all are doing fine. So in the last video we have been added our name server. As you can see there is a shop juicerportable.shop, the domain which we have been added the name server. So and we added the domain also in our hosting. So right now we have been able to see that the name server and domain has been connected. So in this, but you can see there is a not been secure, it's saying. So first we need to do the SSL. We need to install the SSL in this. So how you will going to install your SSL? From the cPanel. So this is our cPanel. So in this we will going to install our SSL. So just go down and you can see here's some couple of things that SSL. Hmm, okay. Okay, so here you can see there is a SSL and TLS is there. So just click on this. So just click on all the domains here. Just click it on here. So make sure that your domain should be here marked. See, here is already been our domain is there. So we mark. So it's already SSL has been installed, but still it's not referring. So it's better to run the auto SSL here. So it can be fixed each and everything. So just make sure you try to just find the SSL and TLS status. Over here you can able to find that. Here you need to click and you need to install your SSL, and it's take some couple of minutes. So it will going to install the SSL in your domain. So it's install in the mail IDs and each and everything. So as in our mails you can see that juicer.portable the main domain name, and juicer.portable.shop, and the mail.juicerportable and www.juicer.portable.shop. And so this is all the domains we have been connected here. So let's see, it's been still taking a time, so it's taken a couple of minutes, not much time. Also it's depend upon your host. It's a one domain, it's take less time. If it's a more domain, it's take time. So what I have been added here is, as you can see, there is a total around of 38 domains I have been added. So that's the reason it's taking. So you can see that the auto SSL check the pages, it will reflect in the 5 minutes. So okay, after that it will going to refresh you, and it's been okay, it's been reloaded. Just we will going to refresh, and it takes some time to activate here. So it's like in a 5 to 10 minutes it's going to take. So again we will go in our cPanel. Now we will going to install the WordPress. So we're going to start our dropshipping website. So we will going to use the WordPress only, because WordPress is very easy to do the customization everything. And we will going to show you one theme also. So we're going to install the theme here, and according to that, so let's we'll show you. Just click on a WordPress. So you can see here is a WordPress, and just click on install here, and here you need to click it as https dot slash. Here you need to make sure that https s and slash www dot you need to install, and you need to click it your domain name, and just make sure you just delete this wp domain. And here is the latest version of the WordPress, it will be there. So here it is going to ask your name and user sorry, first we will see our website name. We're going to just copy here. So your site name here, it's optional, you can change later on also this thing, so I will just leave it off. And here we need to add our username. For the security reason I have been hiding here. So password I will going to click it. It's up to you what kind of a password you want to write. You can write, and here is the domain name, that is admin@juicershop.com. Okay, so after that everything it's saying the public pro versions it says. So it's depend whatever the things you want to require. So I will just uncheck this all things, because I don't want all those kind of a things, because this are already the pro version, so I need to buy all those things. So I don't want the basics things. If you see here is a basics things, so just not required all those things. Just you need to add username and the password. then just install it here. So as you can see, our website has been installed now. So it's saying that this is our main website. So we will going to open. I think it's taking some time. It takes some time to upload. Some time it will going to take. And this is slash admin for the doing the changes. So whenever you want to go on a domain, just your website name, that is portableuser.shop slash wp dash admin you have to enter, and you need to enter your ID and password. So I already it's been take the default only. If it does not take the default, so you need to write your user ID and password. So I already been added. So here you can do the refresh also. So I think it's going to take the time. Okay, it's not a big problem. So it's these are the themes we have to be activated here. So it will going to show your themes, and here it is going to show you the plugins and everything. So in this video today we have been showed you how to install your WordPress, and how you can able to install your WordPress and SSL. So as you can see, the now it is a SSL secure is there here, so no need to be worried. So before that it was been not been secure, so it will be going to secure because it's not been showing secure. So that's the reason it's taking a time, but after a few time it will going to activate it. So now you can able to do your work. So as you can see here still, so we have been install our theme, and so you can able to install your theme and all those things. So if you have anything, any doubt, and any kind of a problem, let us know, we will going to fix. And soon we will going to launch our course also, in that you can see each and everything video, how you can able to install your WordPress in each and everything. Okay, so I hope you really like our video. Please like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much.